Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, front spoiler, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, braking assist, power brakes, rear view camera. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.